Hi everyone and welcome to April. Can you even believe it? I know everybody says that, but man, this year is actually seriously just like gone. It's like a fighter jet running into 2019. So I don't always do favorites videos, but I actually did have some things that really stuck out to me this month that were kind of like the things I was reaching for constantly and made me go, yeah, I really like this stuff. So I'm here to talk to you about a few products that I really like this month and a few products that really stuck out to me that I have been reaching for and I was surprised by. So we'll start off with makeup. The first product I want to talk about is the Highlighting Cheek Duo from ColourPop's Butterfly Collection. I just got this probably 2 weeks ago and I know people say like, how can you honestly say it's a favorite, blah, blah, blah. I get it, I know. But it is. This is in Whirl and Swirl, and on my blog I actually wrote that I was not going to pick up the Butterfly Collection, which I ended up doing anyway. I was only going to pick this up, and to be honest with you, I'm glad that I actually did pick up the whole collection to do a thorough review on, but this still sticks out and is still really beautiful. I'm wearing it today. Compared to the other two packaging in the collection, this one was definitely the best one by a long shot. I didn't really like the other two, which were, the other two are in Just Do It and Clockwork. Probably helps if I put them up the right way. Not even close, did not hold a candle. And even in packaging, this actually had the colors on the back and the other two didn't. So this wins in my book. This is available on ColourPop's website for $16 for two, and it is limited edition. Sure it is. Another item from ColourPop that I've been reaching for like crazy is the Dream Street collab with Kathleen Lights. I have been reaching for this like mad. I am one of those people that really does work through my collection. I use all of my palettes and I use them a lot. I have a considerable collection, which I will leave linked up at the top here. But this palette has honestly been my go-to. I keep reaching for it. And oddly enough, I keep reaching for this dark green matte in the middle here. I have been putting that all over my lid and then putting one of the other burnt oranges in my crease, and that's all I've been doing, and I've been getting lots of compliments, and I feel really dark and stormy when I wear it, and I really like it. You would think that coming into spring I'd be like, yay, look at all these nice pinks and all these champagnes and lighten up the look. Nope, going dark. That's my last ColourPop thing, I promise. I find it kind of comical how many times I make a liar out of myself in my blog versus my YouTube channel. It's not intentional, it's just, you know, best laid plans. I did write a blog post about how I was not going to pick up the Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope palette based on packaging because the shapes of the pans make me mental. They actually make me feel squirrely. I really want to like resort them in my brain. I also have not been really attracted to Urban Decay lately. I feel like their quality has gone down and their effort in their collections has really gone down. So I hadn't had any intentions of buying this, and then it went on sale. It went on sale for 50% off. I did pick it up for $25 and holy shit, I totally am so glad that I did. This is what we have wanted from Urban Decay for years. I'm not good at doing these, but this is what I've wanted to see from Urban Decay for a really long time, and they just haven't been really doing it. I'm really happy for Kristen Leanne because she really must have worked with them to improve the formula, so her name was attached to something really great. I do have the second palette as well with just the 4 pans. I do like it, but this one really rocks my socks. This is the Urban Decay I remember from years ago. Alright, I've got some tools as well. I have never been a beauty blender person. I do own one and I would grab it periodically. I used it more for concealer than anything, but holy shit, I finally bought these Real Techniques beauty blenders. I have one that I just use so it's like wet and full size, and then one that is clean and is in the standard size in the packaging. These are like 15 bucks for two, and holy cow, these blend my foundation to perfection. I have noticed a huge difference in the finish of my foundation, and I strongly recommend these. Sometimes drugstore is just for the win. This shouldn't be new to anybody. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I hadn't been able to find this foundation in my shade for some time in Canada. We don't always get the products that we want at the time that we want them. That being said, totally glad I found it. It's really great. and it gives me perfect finish. I am wearing it today. I have switched this out, mixing this with my YSL foundation. I was using a Laura Mercier and a YSL foundation mixed together, and I'm so glad that this has the same, I would honestly call it a dupe for the Laura Mercier foundation. And just so you know which Laura Mercier foundation that I'm talking about, it is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. I don't not like this anymore. Let's not get it twisted. I do really like it, but if I was to call a dupe, I would definitely say these are pretty bang on. This is around 50, 60 bucks, and this I believe was like 18. I will obviously finish them both and then make a judgment call on what I will buy. I'm probably going to rebuy this Milani one because it is so much cheaper, but you never know what I'm gonna do. It does say it is medium to full coverage and lightweight oil-free formula, long wearing, water resistant, and sweat proof. I do notice a huge sweat proof component of this. I am that person that's like got a sweaty upper lip when I'm running to the train, and this is not breaking down my foundation like it normally does. So huge call. I have two products left, and they are both skincare. The first one is the Pixi Skin Treatments Glow Tonic. I know this is super popular, and again, something that you have probably already heard about before. I've never been very attached to toner, but I've had this for about 2 weeks, and I'm halfway down, so it is something that I find myself reaching for consistently. And that is what I truly feel means it is a favorite. There is lots of things in my collection, there is lots of things I can reach for, and I choose to reach for this. The last product I have is the Pure Sugar Scrub Exfoliant from L'Oreal Paris. This is the one, it's like a kiwi sugar scrub. It looks delightful and delicious. It smells delicious. It is literally just an exfoliant, but I love the way it smells. It smells so clean. My skin feels totally sloughed off and nice after I use it. And for about the $15 that it is, buy all other skincare products like face masks and stuff like that. You are not required. Anyway guys, that is my favorites for March. You let me know if you've tried any of these products and what your thoughts are, and if there's something that should be my favorite that you haven't seen, please let me know in the comments because I would love to check it out.